games. We got tunes to play for you. I gotta get this mic in check, huh? All right, believe it or not, our band name is Car Becomes Airplane, and we have some stuff to say, and this is our... Zach, move the mic.
What's up? They're like out in the air. Oh,
this one?
Too young to feel a little down. And when you say stay, will you stick around? Then I start to feel alright, and I start to feel okay. I'm too young to go down south, so I'll wait until I'm older. I'm too young to feel left out, so I'll wait a little longer. It's probably not. I like to think I'm the only one who's got issues, but that's not true. You've got issues too. I'm too young to go down south, so I'll wait until I'm older. I'm too young to feel left out, so I'll wait a little longer. That I have nothing to do. Oh, I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to you. Who knows what I could be? Talk to me. If you would talk to me. I think I could write a better song. I still alone and think I'd write a more original song. Cause I know I can make this sound better than it does right now. Cause right now it kind of sounds like all the songs that I've written before. But I don't care. No, I don't really care. I really don't care. I really don't care. But I know I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna crush my side seats, but I know I'm not gonna do that either. I know I can make this sound less creepy than it does right now. But Miss Miller, when you tell me that I got a 65 on my last test, it does something to me. It makes me feel so warm and cozy. Like a bug in a rug, really cute and safe and warm, cause it's all snowing up in a rug. Like my hair, and I really care, cause you know how I feel about you, and I'm willing to change it for you. I changed my life for you. I give it all to you. I changed my life for you. I give it all to you. Oh, please lower my grade. I wanna be with you next year, babe. Please lower my grade. Only you. Believe it or not, believe it or not, believe it or not, believe it or not, this next song is also about a teacher I want to have sex with. And it's called Mrs. Larson. And you better mosh.
something really important. You guys really gotta listen up, because it's really fucking important. Okay, everyone get real close, because it's so important. Is everyone here? Yeah. All right, 1 sec, I need to give Miles this song. Yeah! Anyway, back to what I was saying, that's so important. Is everyone quiet so you can really hear my important thing that I have to get off my chest?
Say it! Say it! Tell us how you really feel.
Fine. Earlier today... Alright, back the fuck up. I'm tired of this bit.
Ready, Miles?
Alright, this song's called Sid's Beret. Feel free to do a little jig to it, because that's what you do to this song. Understand where I'm going. I don't move, I only stand still in this place. But when spring comes out to play, you better hide from the sunshine. When you're alone, you call your friends on the phone to talk. And when you're not, you watch the wallpaper rod. And when you're not, you watch the wallpaper rod. And when you're not, you watch the wallpaper rod. When your friends right by your side, they watch it with you. Right along in search of good times and good news. This song is called Peggy Sue.
Peggy Sue. And as the days go by, I feel the loneliness coming on strong, and I wanna die. I don't wanna be a piece of shit. I don't wanna be a heretic. I don't wanna be a shit. Songs left. This one is slow. If you want to slow dance with your lover. Slow dance with your lover. Kiss to your lover. Slow dance with your lover. My drummer's going on the bass, baby. I mean the organ. This song is called Miles Doesn't Know How to Tune. Miles, are you ready? Yeah, I don't care. Okay, this song's called Athena Song. Does a little jig, it steps on my partner's feet for you.
we sit on the ground, her smile turns back into a frown, and my face starts to do the same too. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Shout out Luch on the organ.
All right, everyone, listen the fuck up! I'm fucking tired of it! Look at me! Look at me! All right, what I'm going to ask you to do, it's the 1, 2, the step to 2, 2, 2. I'm going to ask you to split down the middle, okay? We're doing a fucking death roll, okay? Unless you don't want to. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. If you don't know what's going on, when the beat kicks in, this side, wave your hand, who's on this side? Is going to run to this side, wave your hand, who's on this side? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You'll know when the beat kicks in. Hello, Desta. Hello, Gabe. This song is called Betty Reed. Is Miles ready? All right, beautiful. Betty Reed. Not yet, Smooth. Not yet. Come on. Get it together. Restart.
Try again.
Restart. You guys can't get it, so you guys don't know. You guys don't know? Okay? Listen. This song is called Betty Reed, and when the beat kicks in, you go. Okay? Betty Reed! She smoked my weed! Oh my god! She's gonna bleed! Betty Reed! Betty Reed! Betty Reed! Betty Reed! She smells like fucking weed! She's gonna bleed! Betty Reed! Betty Reed! Don't smell my foot! Do not bother with you! You have to get foot! Look at me here! Look at that dress! Better put some of these on your ass! I ain't gonna go smoke on my dress! You're busting most of you ain't even that! That's the inside just too much! I didn't think I'd be so loud! Betty Reed! Betty Reed! Oh, Betty Reed! Betty Reed! She smells like fucking weed! She's gotta bleed! Betty Reed! Betty Reed! Don't say it again! I don't care about you! Right now, you're in bed! I'm still in a bloody place! Why can't I go through a million hits? I know! The earth can be on strong! Winter is ignorant! Leave me alone and I owe you time with nothing but my life here! Betty Reed! Oh, Betty Reed! Oh, Betty Reed! Betty Reed! She smells like fucking weed! She's gotta bleed! She's gotta bleed! She's gotta bleed! She's gotta bleed! Okay, we have one last song. Miles is switching out. So sorry. catch my breath. Okay. So the secret I was going to tell you guys earlier was that, do you like that? Yeah! Secret I was going to tell you guys earlier is that I almost shit my pants before I went on stage. And that really freaked me out. Because I said I can't shit my pants in front of these strangers. That'd be embarrassing. Why are we the only ones with issues? Alright, ready? Yeah, okay, fuck it, let's just go. You ready, Miles? This song is called Christmas Time.